Are you facing stuttering and inconsistent frames in Csgo? Time to explore optimization tactics that will boost your FPS and make you a more formidable player. First, we'll tweak your in-game settings. Go to Video Settings within Csgo. Focus on these adjustments. Set video preset to very low or low. Adjust your resolution to your monitor's native if you want the best quality, but dropping it can give a big FPS boost. Disable multi-core rendering. Turn off motion blur, VSync, and FXA. Set shader detail and effect detail to low. Ensure boost player contrast is enabled. These changes reduce visual clutter and improve FPS. Secondly, update your graphics drivers. Download the latest drivers from NVIDIA or AMD, as regular updates address performance and bug fixes. Then, restart your computer after installing. Finally, consider hardware. Verify your laptop's power settings are set to high performance. Check your CPU and RAM usage in the Task Manager. Upgrade your RAM or CPU if you max out on those resources. Congratulations, your Csgo FPS are at their peak.